Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss how to create a line chart in Excel. A line chart is used to show or display trends over time. The table should contain at least two columns and the time interval should be in the leftmost column and the dependent values should be in the rightmost column. Let's try it out in Excel. Table contains regional sales data. It represents sales of three different regions, north, south and east, from the month of January to December. Here you can see the time interval column, that is month column here, is in the leftmost side or the leftmost column. We can create a single line chart or a multiple line chart according to our requirement. Let's create a line chart for north region to see the sales pattern according to the various months. Select both the columns month and north, then go to insert, then recommended charts. Here you can see there are two options. One is recommended charts and all charts. We can select the from here in the recommended charts according to our requirement, and we can also go to all charts. Then here there are various options for the charts. Here we are going to select line, then click OK. Here you can see a line chart is created. The horizontal axis represents the month from January to December and the vertical axis represents the sales value. And in the line chart you can see various insights and patterns. Here you can see in the month of July the sales is the highest sales, and for the month of Feb and November North has done the lowest sales. Let's delete it and let's create a multiple line chart for all the three regions, north, south and east. Select all the columns, then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts. Here is line chart, then OK. Here you can see a multiple line chart is created. The blue line represents the north region, the orange line represents the south, and the gray line represents the east region. From this chart we can get various insights or patterns, like in the month of July, north has done the highest sales and south has done the lowest sales. We can get various insights and pattern from this chart. Let's customize the chart according to our requirement. Let's change this chart title as regional sales data. When you click on the chart, you will get a plus option here. When you click over here, you can see various chart elements that we can add into our chart. The same option you can get over here in the chart design, then add element. The same options are there. In this paint brush options, you can see there are various styles of the chart designs are there. We can select any chart according to our requirement. The same chart style options you can see over here in chart design. Okay, first you have to select the chart, then go to chart design. You can see various chart options. We can also filter our chart with various options. Okay, let's add chart axis title to the chart. Primary vertical. Let's do it as month and change it as sales. Let's change the style of the chart. Let's select this. Let's put this legend into right side, and let's change the color of this line. Here in the right side you can see there are various options to change the color, and we can do various things over here according to our requirement. Let's change the color to yellow one. Here you go. That's all for today's video. Thank you.